Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Back up. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy. Oh shit.
That was really dumb.
Glad you got here on time.
You veered into the road.
Club was fascinating. Yeah. I hate to say it, it's not by design. It's because of the world we live in. But we've been sort of emasculated by the confines of society, where most of us feel a much more
People were better behaved when there was the possibility of being punched in the face.
Yeah, but even when the possibility exists, it's
don't want to get you.
Kind of ingrained
Don't want to get you. Get him.
us as a society not to go there.
Oh shit!
God
damn!
Societal ramifications.
Holy shit! That's why you don't brake check, bro.
Jesus Christ, dude.
The rest of the weekend.
Just the restarts at Carnage now. You really got to protect and park it up early and get yourself on the inside, so it kind of worked well for us.
All right, he's building a notebook for the rest of the weekend. That's Shane Van Gisbergen. He finishes up in the third spot. We'll check in finally here with Daniel Emery.
What are you doing, stupid? In hell.
Gonna be working. So.
Oh man, I'm so tired, man. But I'm fucking sleep tonight. Alright, okay.
I suddenly realized that the entire country had been betrayed and abandoned. In Jerusalem, he helped dig graves for fallen Israeli soldiers after the Hamas attack in 2023.
Like, she'll like continuously reach out and makes comments on all the photos, and I was like, all right, that's gonna. Oh, nice job, Chuck! Yeah! Did you see that? Somebody got hit. The Mini Cooper just rear-ended this guy like
Tell him to pull over. Could win. I'm focused. Honestly. If we turn on. Oh. Oh, it's insurance scam.
Whoa.
That's because they know everyone's in sight, and you're just asking to lose at that point. You might be thinking, okay, so I just not plain sight, and the answer is yes, but we need to do it right. Once back into sight when you're.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.